What is up, Z-Force? What's good? It's razzaq here, and as y'all boys can see by this video, I'm here for a very quick, very short banger, very informative, you feel me? In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all boys 5 hairstyles that me personally will be using in the summertime. Nice, easy, shouldn't take you more than like at most 2 minutes to do this. It really shouldn't even take you 2 minutes. If it takes you 2 minutes, you really suck. I'm just playing. Before we get into that, I gotta let y'all know I dropped a new video on the vlog channel. I know I haven't posted in a while. I explained why. I explained all that, you know, what the situation was, why I haven't been posting, all that. So if you want to keep updated with me and find out, go ahead and click that video. I don't know what side it's gonna be on. I've been doing YouTube for like 3 years and I still don't know what side it's on, but you feel me? Without any further ado, let's get into these hairstyles. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you sub, and you feel me? Let's get into it.
I forgot, man, I can't wait to cop a new whip with the trunk in the front. Now when they bad bitches want me, remember they run. And I know they forgot that I'm the chosen one. Only got 13 disciples, I feel like I son.
Alright, so y'all already know me, you know I like to get straight into it. So the first hairstyle that we got is gonna be a very simple one. The only thing y'all are gonna need for any of these hairstyles is a hair tie. You see, this is the regular hair tie. I started using these big ones just cause they feel better. I don't know when I take them off. I don't like the shit be pulling my hair apart. But the first hairstyle is going to include these trucker hats. So as y'all know, these trucker hats have been very, very popular lately. If you go on TikTok, Instagram, anywhere, you will see hella niggas wearing trucker hats. But you feel me? Since you got dreads, it's kind of annoying to wear a trucker hat, or in general, it's annoying to wear a trucker hat. Like you doing something, riding a bike, skating, running, that will just fly off your head. So this first style is not only a very stiff and clean looking style, but it also helps to combat that. So the first thing you're gonna do, it's only 2 steps, I ain't gonna lie. First thing you're gonna do, get your hair, put that hoe in half. I don't know how much you wanna put in it. However much hair you wanna put in the ponytail, do that, you feel me? I'm gonna put like this much in there. And what you wanna do is, as you can see, get the hair and pull it back and just put it in a half ponytail. Once you got your half ponytail, I don't know if y'all can see, it's not even the most organized, not the best looking one, but it don't matter. You know why? Because we about to get the hat. And y'all see this hole? You already know where I'm going with this. You see the hole? I like to take it off. It's just easier that way. Put the hat on. Put the snap on, you feel me? And you know what I'm saying? That's the style. Nice and simple. And one of the benefits to this, like I said, is like if you're doing something running, y'all know I like to skate, that hole won't just fall off your head because, you feel me, you got some support back there. And to be honest, that hole looks live, you feel me? Just a nice, basic, simple style. It didn't take me more than like, what, 10 seconds? I don't know. I'm gonna put a timer on the screen and put the number right now. But it didn't take me very long at all. Very nice, very simple. That's the first style. Anybody could do it. It looks real stiff with the trucker hat. Only niggas with dreads could do this too, so I mean, you feel me? Really flexing on niggas with this style too. You know what I'm saying? The bald head ass niggas, you really flexing on them. We're gonna get to the next style though. The next hairstyle that I'm gonna give y'all boys, the secret sauce, you feel me? Very, very special, very easy, very simple style. It's just gonna be a top knot. And y'all saw how I did the back ponytail this time. Basically, a top knot is just a front ponytail. So you go ahead and, yeah, I know I need a chop. Don't, hey, relax, bro. I know I need a chop. You're gonna go ahead and get the top locks that are on top of your head. I also need a retwist, goddamn. Hey, matter of fact, next video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a retwist video. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the braids. It's gonna be real nice, real simple. If you guys wanna learn how to do the braids by yourself, very easy, very simple, very crispy, make sure you comment down below that you wanna see the braids. But all you gotta do, see, this style, you need a little bit of hair. Actually, no, that's cap, that's cap. You don't even need a lot of hair, but it's easier to do with more hair, basically. You get your dreads, hold them up like this, and then you fold them. You just fold them so it's in a ponytail like that. The longer your dreads are, the easier this is gonna be. If you have short dreads, you can still finesse this style. You just gotta like tuck the dreads in. And I'll show you, I'll show an example of how to do it with this one right here. Cause the only difference between if you have long dreads and short dreads with this style is like you gonna have some that stick out like this. So all you gonna wanna do is get that boy and tuck it into the rubber band. I used to be doing this when I had like barely any hair. And it's just real easy, real simple. The benefits to this style are you can actually see. I know some of y'all's dreads really be in your eyes and you can't be seeing. So this style looks real nice, real simple. When you got the line up in the chop, it's real crispy. When you got the retwist, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It look crispy when you look crispy. You feel me? It's also functional. I can see now. I don't got my dreads touching my face all the time. I like this because sometimes it's just too much. Like if you got dreads, you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes it's just too much. Sometimes you don't want all that. So this is the second style, very nice, very simple. Once again, I'm gonna put the timer on the screen. It didn't take me too long at all. The number gonna be right here. Very simple, that's style number 2. Let's get into the third one. The next style we got is a very common, very simple one, but I like it for the summertime just because, you know, it's hot. I live in Texas. Y'all boys know I live in Texas. It be too hot here, bro. It be too hot. And the hair does not help. So sometimes you just wanna go ahead and get it out the way. So what we gonna do? The pineapple. So basically to do a pineapple, you wanna just look down. I don't know if I can see, look down and get your hair all in the front like this. Y'all see how I grabbed it? I'm gonna do it again. Get it from the back, pause, and then go like push that hoe forward. At the same time, you want to be grabbing the front from under type shit. Pour that hoe. All you gotta do now is put the hair tie on the bottom. Very simple, very easy. Very simple, very easy. 2 steps. And I know it looks goofy right now. Give me a second. Give me a second, bro. Y'all niggas rushing me. All you gotta do is spread that bitch out. You feel me? Make it look right. Put the dreads where you want them to be at. Do all that good stuff. I don't even got the mirror right now. I'm looking straight into the camera, so I can't really make it as nice as possible. But you get the gist. You feel me? The hair's out of your way, just like the front knot, but you feel me? Sometimes the dreads on your neck and sometimes the dreads on your ears, that should be getting you hot, bro. So this is a real simple way. You at the pool, you starting to sweat a little too much, you feel me? You throw the dreads up like this, you feel me? It's really stiff. I know this hoe is not the cleanest ponytail or pineapple right now, but you get the gist, my nigga. Like, stop playing with me, you understand? And once again, this is how long it took. Not too long, man. I'm telling you right now, like, this shit is real easy, real simple. You get me? It's the third style or the fourth one? I think it's the third one, man. Anyway, we gonna get into the fourth style right now. Trying to get the video out real fast, real quick, but you feel me? Let's get into it. Next style we gonna do, you gonna need 1 extra item for this style, all right? Very complicated. It's gonna be a whole nother hair tie. I know, you probably don't got 2 hair ties, my nigga. I'm sorry. Gonna need a second hair tie for this one. Go steal your moms, go steal your sisters, go steal that girl from schools. She's not gonna miss that hoe. She got like 30, I promise. This one is one of my favorite styles just cause you feel me, I don't know, made me feel youthful type shit. But what you wanna do is make sure you know where the middle of your hair is, and then you wanna split it type shit in half. You can go ahead and put one side to the side right now. And what you're gonna do is once you split it in half again, but this way. So once you get it like that, you got it's basically the whole style. You get the gist. You get the gist. You put the little ponytail in the holder. There you go. And it's the same process on this side. You might wanna, you know what I'm saying, line it up so it looks even. And you don't do the whole AD. Real simple. This one is even quicker, you know what I mean? I don't even know what to call this. I guess it's just 2 pigtails in the back, 2 pigtails, half up, half down, some shit like that. I don't know. Somebody name it in the comments down below. I don't know what this whole called. But this one of my favorite styles. It's just, I don't know, it's just some cool shit to me. I like it. Real simple, real easy. Once again, it didn't take me too long to do. Real quick for the summertime, you feel me? You want some variety in your fits in the summertime. I know it's a hot nigga summer, but Bobby Schmurder just came home. The girls had their hot girl summer last year. It's our time to shine this year, my nigga. We gotta come with the style. So, without any further ado, I'm gonna get to this last and final style. And you feel me? Make sure you like the video. If you haven't liked the video already, you own it. Like, stop owing. You really doing the most. I like the video. The final style for the summertime, for the hot niggas, for the Z-Force, for the gang, for the boys. It's gonna be a real simple one, you feel me? I feel like this is some Dragon Ball Z shit. I don't know why. Like, whenever I do this style, I feel like a Dragon Ball Z character. I like to just leave the front 2 dreads down. I need a retwist. I know, I already said that. I'll leave the front 2 dreads down, and I'll pull the rest of them back. I know some of y'all might not have enough hair for this, bro. It's okay. It's okay. Your hair gonna grow, man. If you wanna find out how to grow your hair faster, you feel me? You know I got the video somewhere up above. You feel me? How to grow your hair fast. I'm dropping the gems, bro. I'm just saying. Let's get into this style, man. We're gonna go ahead and pull the hair back. It's not even hard. Like, you already know what I'm about to do. You already know what I'm about to do. Get the damn ponytail holder. Put the rest of your hair in the ponytail. Simple. Yeah, this whole look rough right now because I didn't really take my time to do it. But I'm just trying to show y'all how quick and simple it can be. Like, once you get good at it, you can just throw that hoe up. But I'm just doing this for the video. But you get the gist, man. I don't want to look the best. Y'all do these styles. Tag me in the picture. I'm going to repost it. I want you to do the style better than me. I want to see the Z4 shine. You know I'm here to see everybody win, man. But this is the final pose. I don't know. Just some Dragon Ball Z shit to me. That's just what it reminds me of. That's the name of this style, Dragon Ball Z shit. But hey, man, if you guys want to see me get a chop, if you guys want to see me get a retwist, if you guys want to learn how to do the braids, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment down below that you want to see the video. And I'm going to come back with y'all next time with a banger. I'm going to teach y'all step by step how to do the braids, the same way I taught y'all how to do these styles. And once again, You guys wondering where I've been at? Follow me on IG first of all, because you follow me on IG, you already would have been knowing what I was doing. What are you doing? Go follow my IG, man. You bugging. But make sure you subscribe to the vlog channel. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment. It's Young Annie, Raz Nasty, razzaq, you feel me? Prince Vamp, and I'm gonna get up out of here. Y'all boys stay safe. Yeah.